Mulan is a 2020 American action drama film produced by Walt Disney Pictures. It is a live-action adaptation of Disney's 1998 animated film of the same name, based on the Chinese folklore The Ballad of Mulan. The film stars Eva Liu in the title role, alongside Donnie Yen, Zima, Jason Scott Lee, Yoson An, Ron Yeon, Gong Li, and Jet Li in supporting roles. Mulan is the most inspiring woman in Chinese history. She is considered the embodiment of purity, loyalty, and devotion to the country. Mulan legends begin with her sympathy for her father, who is no longer young. This is one of the most treasured and interesting tales of Chinese legends in Chinese textbooks. The story of the hero Mulan is also known outside mainland China itself after being popularized through Disney animated films. Mulan's story is a true story and has existed in Chinese history. Her family name is Hua. She was born in a small village in the north. Although it is still debated, her story remains worldwide. In this film, the story begins with a little girl who has great strength or chi, even though it is a woman. But it is considered unnatural because only men usually have strong chi. In this film, women must be gentle and should do not horse riding, martial art, and things that men usually do, because it is a disgrace and dishonorable behavior. Her family consists of her mother's father and also a younger sister. Mulan also practiced martial arts, horse riding, and archery when she was a child. In her spare time, she likes to read her father's war strategies. As an adult, Mulan is required to uphold the honor of her family by getting married, not war. At the time, northern nomadic tribes in mainland southern China, or rural tribes, frequently harassed, robbed, and killed everyone who got in their way without exception, women or children. Therefore, the emperor ordered the formation and recruitment of armies from all over the country to quell hostilities at the northern borders. According to the order, all men were required to register, including Mulan's father, who was no longer young and sickly. Since there were no other men in the family, it was her father who had to go. Mulan remembered that when her father went to war, she knew her father would die in vain. But if her father refused to leave, her father will be labeled as unpatriotic. Mulan is indeed the oldest daughter in her family, but she is not a man. But Mulan is determined to disguise herself as a man and take her father's place to fight. She changed her name from Hua Mulan into Hua Jun. Mulan knew her parents would not agree with her decision, but Mulan was firm in her stand. The interests of the people, the sense of devotion and loyalty to the country, and love for the family and considered the highest order. On horseback, Mulan headed for the border, so that her real identity is not revealed. Mulan must be very careful at all times. During the day, she never parted with her troops, and at night she slept fully clothed. Mulan is trained with high discipline, dumping all her feminine traits so that no one feels suspicious and questions her true identity. Many things happen when she meets her fellow soldiers and meets with Hong He, and the commander's pride in Mulan for her skill in kung fu and other martial arts. When Mulan and the army going to war, all the young soldiers who had been trained together to take three posts, that is, loyal, brave, and truth. Mulan could not mention the third pole because all this time she had lied. She lied to all of her colleagues, pretending to be men. They went to war. In the middle of the war, Mulan's army were present because the opponent attacks was strong enough, so that the soldiers led by the commander were present. Then where was Mulan? Mulan chased Borican. Borican was the leader of the Roran army. Borican left his army and fled. Borican is known to be cruel, with the help of a witch. Borican trying to seize the kingdom of China to become his own. In the middle of chasing Borican, Mulan met the witch. The witch could immediately tell that Mulan was a woman. She realized that if Mulan lied, Mulan's strength would weaken. From there, Mulan began to dare. She took off her armor until only her usual clothes remaining. She tied her hair, then she returned to her battalion commander to admit all her lies. Everyone in the training ground was shocked, because all this time the skilled and great warriors had been women. Commander Tong was really angry. and he intended to kill Mulan. However, Mulan was granted relief and was only exiled. In the middle of the path of exile, Mulan again meets the witch. The witch tells Mulan about her past and invites Mulan to join her side to help Borican. But Mulan refused to be with cowards like Borican, who chooses to run away, leaving his army on the battlefield. The witch said that Borican didn't back down but made a plan. There, the witch told Borican's next plans. But Mulan still refused and bravely returned to the training ground to meet Commander Tong and told him about Borican's plan. At first, Commander Tong didn't believe it, but Hong Hui, one of the soldiers, Mulan's friend, said if we believe in Hua Jun, why don't we believe in Hua Mulan? In the end, the commanders believed and ordered Mulan to lead armies to the Empire. In the Empire, they were all sabotaged by Borican's army, not even a single guard on every road at the Empire. After the war ended, an imperial army led by Mulan win, the emperor wanted to give her an official position in the empire, but Mulan refused and only wanted to return home to meet her family. Her wish was granted by the emperor. When she arrived in her village, everyone was stunned because Mulan was still alive. Mulan was reunited with her family. Her father was very proud of her. While Mulan was talking to her family, an army from the empire came and brought her a gift, which was a sword engraved brave, loyal, truth, and family devotion. Everyone was shocked by it, and that was the end of the story of Mulan.